From moving walkways and escalators at the airport to skyscraper elevators and even chairlifts at ski areas, elevator installers and repairers keep people moving to where they want to go. Elevator installers and repairers install, fix, and maintain lift equipment. Usually they specialize in one phase of the work: installation, maintenance, or repairs. Elevators and lifts require maintenance such as oiling and greasing parts, replacing worn components, and adjusting equipment, including computerized control systems. The work requires the ability to troubleshoot based on a strong knowledge of electronics, hydraulics, and electricity. Elevator installers and repairers work in crews for major repairs such as replacing cables or bearings. They also ensure that equipment complies with safety regulations or building codes. Most elevator installers and repairers work for building equipment contractors. They often work in cramped crawl spaces and machine rooms, sometimes high up in elevator shafts. They often need protective equipment such as harnesses and safety glasses. Almost all work full-time and may be on call 24 hours a day when necessary. Nearly all elevator installers and repairers learn through a 4-year apprenticeship, which requires a high school diploma or equivalent. Classes in math, mechanical drawing, and shop can also be helpful. Most states require licensure.